Do you want to say about what happened to me? My skin looks like Anna, but nobody will know that. They got me the freaking up. I used to be AFK. AFK the challenge when nobody just living even right or loving the right, left. But whatever, I don't care because I'm turning right. Because turning right is a freaking best game. What happened to the left dropping in the lava? No, it's not happen because that would be possible. Don't make it out. If any made you AFK challenge, making no more sense. People will kill you forever. No, the water take a lot will make me die. Because when I say nobody is said. Because you know what you was said. Because we don't want to join your bond hell. Just want to say nobody will know. AFK challenge is freaking heck. Making too much time, making too much hate. I don't care for what has happened. AFK, why you do this forever? Making to the fun to my what? Is it possible? AFK challenge, stop doing this in my fire, my head. But no, that's not enough. I just got very mad on this AFK challenge. What people need to kill me forever? Do I do wrong? Nobody will know. Why? Am I idiot? Nobody will know. But am I idiot? No, I'm not idiot. What should I say? I am idiot. Eating things. It's so bored. What should I do? Nothing enough. What is this thing? Turning on my back? No, that's not enough. Do you want to say I'm being enough? Nobody would say that. Oh, what in the world? Look at this guy. His name's Anya. But no. I am the one who best PvP. But no, AFK challenge just beat me. Why would that happen? Is that ridiculous to say about? Why AFK stop beating me out? I did nothing wrong. People keep killing me. Am I do wrong when nothing happens? So now we are back for AFK challenge. But no, people keep killing me. For hours in the sky, I can look for, but nobody knows. I'm looking in my back, but nobody does. This is a very good world. People touching me in my back, nobody would. And I say, wait, who are you? But it's a shit. No, it's not enough. I got ridiculous to make me so much mad. Why? People start taking me to mad. Am I idiot to make my sin? No, that's not enough. Why should I do this? Do I do any wrong? Am I idiot? No. No. AFK just beat me. Why? Because I'm not that good at AFK challenge. No. Why is happening to me? I got beat it up. Now is my time to get my revenge back. To not get AFK challenge. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's go get bad. So now we're back. Not the AFK challenge will get down. I'm killing people now. 61 seconds. Already now I'm getting ready.